Welcome to the Let's Make Stuff muscle tutorial. Grab your quest items and let's begin.
Template, check. Blades, check. Velcro, check. Elastic, check. Glue, check. Plastidip, check. Goals, check. 5mm foam, check.
Print out your template, trace it, flip it over and trace the other side, remembering to also cut out the abs and pectoral muscles. Once you've cut out the main piece, cut off any extra pieces so that it fits your shape and size. Adjust your blade so that it only cuts halfway through your foam. And run that blade along your muscle line. Repeat the process for all muscle lines, making sure not to cut all the way through. Select an area and heat it up. Using a tool such as a smooth stone or even a deodorant container, press and shape the foam while it's still warm. If that doesn't work, use sheer will and your hands. Once complete, it's time to fill those definition areas. Bend the foam and create a little valley in the lines we cut earlier. Fill that valley with hot glue and hold that foam until the glue is dry. Repeat the process for all muscle line areas. And when it's done, well, my friend, you shall have a chest piece with muscles. But every front needs a back, so the process begins again. Trace, cut, heat and bend, hold until the glue is dry. Now trace and cut, heat and bend, and hold until the glue is dry.
You got muscles, you got muscles.
Shape the edges with a Dremel or sandpaper.
You got muscles, you got muscles.
Add a shoulder strap out of elastic because you deserve it. Okay, let's not party just yet. We've still got to add the Velcro and elastic to the sides to keep it all together. And add 2 coats of sealant. Not 1, but 2. And when it's dry, we dance. Dance. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to give it a thumbs up, comment below on what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you all again next time.